babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be trying a few new makeup products, and some products are old and I've already tried. We're gonna be doing makeup basically, girl. Okay, grab a snack, honey, and let's get into this 10-minute makeup look. We're starting off with the face today, but we do not need primer with the foundation that we're using, nor do we need setting spray, nor do we need powder, allegedly, but we're gonna see. The foundation that I'm using in today's video is the Urban Decay Face Bond. This is a waterproof foundation and it is supposed to last up to 24 hours. It has 3% niacinamide and it's supposed to be self-setting, and it's also supposed to be a lightweight, medium to buildable coverage. We gonna see. I picked up mine in the shade 29, so let's go ahead and put this on the face. Am I supposed to shake it? Maybe I should. Yeah, it does say shake well. I'm scared, y'all. We're gonna start with that. We're taking this It Cosmetic brush and we're gonna blend her out. This is a really nice shade match, y'all. Girl, lightweight is an understatement. This feels like nothing on my skin. Wow. Just the tiniest bit on my forehead. This is so pretty. Like, it for sure gives coverage. This is giving my skin but better. Dang, Urban Decay, y'all did y'all big one. We're not gonna do too much with the face, only because I can't do too much with my brows. So my brows are currently in the healing and peeling stage of my micro shading, so I'm not touching them at all, girl. Now we're going in with this Essence bronzing stick, and this is called Baby Got Bronze, and I have the shade 40. I love that the claims on this is that it's vegan, but I do not like that it has a scent. I already pretty much kind of smelled it, so it kind of smells like fruity, sweetie, watermelony. Like, yeah, I don't really like fragrance in any of my makeup products nor my skincare, but they don't bother me a whole lot. Instead of me applying this bronzer on my face as is, I am going to put a little bit of this bronzer on this dual-ended brush that I showed you guys in my last video, one of my last videos, and we're gonna bronze the face with this, girl. We giving this cream bronzer another shot, one more again, one more time. That's all I have. Drugstore edition, because there is a bronzer that I actually do love and that I want to introduce and show y'all. That's coming in the next video. And I'm just using the same side, and I'm just gonna blend this up and out. I'm glad I did not get a darker shade than what I got, girl, because this one is literally perfect. If I would have gone any darker, I probably would have been pissed off, and it would have probably gave like contour kind of vibes. I'm gonna take a little under my jawline too. This Baby Got Bronze is so pretty, y'all. It really added some dimension to my face. And mind you, this only comes in about 6 shades, so yeah, choose wisely, girl. Aside from this bronzer having fragrance, I really do like this bronzer a little bit better than the Milani bronzer, but I am very sensitive on my skin and especially on my cheek area, so we're gonna see, because hopefully this don't cause no reactions or no breakouts, because that fragrance is really kind of scaring me a little, I can't lie. And I literally am recovering from a breakout that I had on this cheek. Moving on, we are using 2 concealers today. This is not new because I did actually use this concealer in one of my previous videos, but I am trying out a new shade and we're gonna mix them together. The concealer I'm talking about is the one from L'Oreal, and this is their Infallible Concealer in the shade 415 Honey. We're going in with this one first. Yeah, I was not wrong about the undertones in the concealers or anything like that. Yeah, we definitely need to expand the shade range, because I was looking for something a little bit lighter, but the next lightest shade is 410 Almond, and I'm getting ready to show y'all how huge of a shade jump that is. And then I'm going in with the shade Honey. This is what Honey looks like, y'all. This is so bright. Like, we couldn't have like one more shade in between those, because y'all see the first shade I put down literally is blending in with my skin. Like, I could literally use it as a spot concealer. Like, that's how good of a match it is. Aside from it being super neutral, I wish it was more golden or warm. I still may have to end up getting another shade. Let's blend it out. I am for sure exchanging that shade for like a brighter shade, because I feel like even 410, which is the lighter shade that I have, like once the winter time comes, I like a bright under eye and my skin is not as tan, so I'm gonna want to see my under eye. This powder is not a new powder, you guys. This is my Huda Beauty powder before they changed the packaging on the travel size one, or just the package in general, because the travel size one, I hated the package on that one. So I end up depotting this because I end up buying 2 travel sizes. I don't know why I just ain't get the big one. I don't know why at this point, because I be wanting to travel with this, and this packaging is damn near the same size as the original one, or the larger size one. And baby, I am not stingy with my powder. This is the Huda Beauty powder in the shade Banana. I'm trying to make sure I don't apply too much product on my brows or near my brows at all. And honestly, when I don't get a whole lot of makeup and powder all over my brows, I don't feel the need to fill them in anyway. I know this foundation said it was self-setting, but as I'm blending out my concealer, I literally see my smile lines already starting to crease. So we're going in with powder, girl, because I just cannot, like, no. And I also don't want this foundation to like seep in my smile lines a whole lot. For my bronzer today, I'm going in with this one from NARS. And this is a travel size one too, y'all. I love many things. I don't know. I just obsessed with when things are like really little. And it's so good when I travel. Like, that's why I like buying travel sizes a lot better than the full size. And sometimes you don't even know if you're gonna like it just yet. I'm just putting this right on top of that cream bronzer. Oh my god, that is so pretty, y'all. So pretty. I love this bronzer from NARS so much, y'all. I honestly forget about it sometimes, but every time I use it, I'm always like, ugh. It's like a breath of fresh air. Like, where you been? I miss you, boo. Yeah. I'm just taking whatever's left over and I'm going to set the bronzer that we put on our chin area. And I'm getting ready to pack my bag for Houston, so I think I'm bringing this one with me, girl, because she is so pretty. I've been running my doggone mouth so much, y'all. I forgot to use my cream or liquid blush and the new blush that I wanted to use with it, but we're gonna save it for another time. But I do have another new item that we can try out. And like I said, because I did notice this foundation settling into my smile lines just a little bit, I'm going in with some powder. Now, I have not used this L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Powder in forever. I did get a new shade because I think I did a review on this when it came out years ago. So I am trying a new shade today because the original shade in that video was shade Copper, which was, I think, 4 something, I don't know. But I'm using the shade 355 Sienna in today's video. So we're gonna use just a little bit of this. This powder is so nice. Like, I don't know about anybody else, but I love a powder foundation on top of a liquid foundation. It just gives more coverage. This powder blends in so well with this foundation. She here to stay. Just going over my bronzer again because I don't want that to get lost in the sauce. And to finish off the face, I am doing blush. This is the blush that I'm using. Why did I just talk like that? This is the shade 20 Daring Rose, and this is also a L'Oreal Infallible item. This is a really pretty natural blush. It's pink, but it's like rosy. I feel like on the days that I didn't want to wear an actual bronzer and I'm in such a hurry or a rush, I feel like this is gonna look so good, like as kind of like a little bronzer moment. It looks like blush and it also can look like bronzer on the cheeks. This is pretty. And I see that it's buildable. I just added a little bit more on this side. And then to bronze up my nose, I'm just going back in with this same NARS powder and I'm just gonna snatch the nose up. Now that the face is complete, let's go ahead and jump into eyes. I'm taking this liner from e.l.f. Y'all know we were supposed to use this liner in like one of my previous videos, but we ain't never get around to it, girl. But today we doing it. And I don't know why lately, but my focus has just been the base and my face. Like eyelashes, eyeliner, mascara, that's cute, but I love a nice beat. Ooh, I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this brush. We're gonna make it do what it do. This liner is cute. I did intend on having like a smaller wing, but it's totally fine. It's fine, y'all. I'm literally just gonna put mascara on my lashes and that's it. So starting off, I'm gonna be using my lash primer, and the one that I'm using today is from L'Oreal. Girl, we're using a lot of L'Oreal. And then I'm going in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then the last mascara I'm using is the L'Oreal Panorama. And I am going to put a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes too. For my lips, I'm going to be using this liner from LA Girl, and this is their Shockwave Nude Lip Liner in the shade Chai Latte. She real creamy. Like, I almost messed myself up just that quick. And then I'm going to take some of this LA Girl lip liner in the shade Berry Wine, and I'm going to go over this one just a little bit with this one It may sound crazy of me, but I really do enjoy a pencil liner. Like the automatic, the soft jellies, no. They don't really last. I be wanting to try them sometimes. I do like the one from NYX, but I am going to have to wear this one a little bit more to actually see how I like this one. But I do really love the LA Girl eyeliners. They have so many pretty colors, y'all. Purple, blue, green, like liner colors you never would usually find in the store. They got them. I'm so indecisive because I feel like that just turned out a little bit too pink purplish for what I'm going for. That's a little bit better. Bring me the brown back. Okay, the pink is cute, but I need brown, baby. I honestly may put this one in my makeup kit because I feel like this will look really pretty with like a red or something like that, but I actually like them mixed together. Like, it's really pretty. I don't know, girl. We're gonna hold on to that one for now. And for my lip, I'm literally just going in with a little bit of gloss. I was gonna do like a nude lip or something, but we're just gonna do gloss today, girl. And this is the Essence Shine lip gloss in the shade Summer Punch. And this is new packaging versus the other ones that I have, so I just wanted to see how this lip plumper, I think this one is a plumping one, how it feels and how the formula feels compared to the formulas that I have and have had for a little minute now. The other one, like the older version, has a lot of fragrance in it, I feel like, but this one is very light. I don't smell it as much. This is a cute ass lip combo. Like, what? This finna go in my little Houston bag too, because I like these mixed together. But wait, I'm gonna wipe just a little bit off in the center because I don't want it to be too dark either, because it's not winter and fall just yet, boo. Urban Decay to spray the face. It's only right, especially because I'm using an Urban Decay foundation. It's only right. Love the lip, love this foundation, love the powder. Like, everything looks good. I love the liner with my natural lashes. Like, it makes my eyes pop a whole lot more. That is pretty much it for this makeup look. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. I have so many more makeup videos coming for you guys, using some new products, using some old products, and actually diving deep into some makeup categories. So let me know what you guys want to see next. I'm gonna do it for y'all, period. I love y'all so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Mwah.